There are many reasons why a user can receive the target not found error. Most times the resolution is in the rules of the action. In this video, we will walk through a target not found error and provide ways to avoid this when executing an action. Let's begin by creating a new botflow. In this example, we will be using the bank find tool under the FDIC website to run a simple botflow. Remember, the bot will first determine the technology of the element. This is stored in the action. Thereafter, it will search for one and only one element on the screen with the properties by applying the target rules. Let's run the script. When an error message "Target Not Found" appears, you should look at the target rules for values that may be dynamic. Click on the pencil icon, or right-click on the action, then select Edit. Note, if you edit an action and the properties of the target rules are correct, you should be able to see the target preview. If the preview is unavailable, that is an indication of the target error. Click on Rules to display the properties of the target rules which you can modify and the values that will be affected to improve targeting. Remember, the default rules that Nintex bot uses to find target elements are based on best practices, but because of technical complexities, are not always correct. When you check the values and come across something that may affect the targeting, you can change the method that the value used to find the target to one of the 5 different options: Ignore, Exact Match, Best Match, Left Match, and Right Match. With Ignore, Exact, and Best Match, there is no other adjustments needed. Just make the change and execute the action to see if it finds the target. With Left and Right Match, you will have to adjust the length value to a specific number of characters that you want Nintex bot to compare against the target value. Now, recreate the action by targeting the same element. Edit the recreated action, open the rules, and compare the rules against the original action rules to see if anything has changed. Useful tip: open a text editing program to copy and paste text and URL strings in your rules into it, to aid in visual comparisons and find issues that are breaking your rules. In the first getValue action, there was a change in the class property after the initial botflow execution. Refine the rules by changing the rule value for the class property from Exact Match to Best Match or Left Match. Remember, if you are uncertain about the need to adjust rules, close and reopen the application, open a different web page or customer, retarget the control, and recreate the action. Once the target rules are modified, the action should execute successfully. You can also edit the action once more to see if the preview of the target is visible. Sometimes, elements cannot be targeted due to application restrictions or the unique way in which an application works. If you are unable to resolve a target not found error, contact support and provide them with details about the error. This concludes the walkthrough on resolving a target not found error when running a botflow.